Hello again. Now today I'm going to be covering an issue I've got with the DJI Mavic Pro, and you may have seen, if you were watching, I did a video not so long back about a quick repair of the back shoulders. Simple super glue system, very easy, very quick, and works reasonably well for a while. It's not a permanent fix. When these shoulders go, you start getting propulsion issues, and that propulsion issues causes wandering. The machine ceases to be accurate. No matter how many times you set the IMU, it will not hold its accuracy like it should do, because it doesn't know what it's doing. It thinks it's giving it propulsion that it requires, but the give makes it lesser. So now it's time to do it properly and replace these shoulders. Now I've been onto DJI and I got a couple of replacement ones. The complete shoulder, but this does require soldering. Okay, we start off by removing battery, props, everything that you need out of the way. Leave the gimbal protector on, the camera protector, whatever you've got on there, leave that there. You need that on there. Okay, now for now, until we come to open it. Now you remember how to open these things from the other ones that I've done. We have the series of screws that we need to remove, and once we've removed them, it comes in part. If you watch other videos, you know how to do that. So basically that's all I'm going to do. Let's look at that, you see. When you lift this up, you've got the GPS transmitter at the back there, so just be ready for that. There you see it, there's your transmitter. Right, so what we're going to do is them three wires there got to be desoldered, and we've got the silicone packs in the way as well. We've removed them before. Again, just be careful. First thing to do is very carefully with a sharp knife separate this silicone. Right, we've got two more screws under there. They're little posi drives. It's useful because that way you can tell what's inside and what's outside screws. The ones that are inside are posi drives. Hanging on for dear life. That's it. So yeah, it's front there. Again, it's a torque screw. When you start loosening these torque screws, always keep plenty of pressure on them, because that first initial little turn, which will strip the head if you're not careful. And this, with all the super glues that I've applied in the past, may be a little bit tedious to get out. Thought so. Because I've applied super glue there before, it's caused a little bit of an issue, binding issue there, but nothing too detrimental. As long as you know what you're doing, you can put force on as you need to. Just don't force something that you don't know can take the force. Okay, so now we've got that freed up, we can more easily free up the silicone. Lift the wire clear and then try and get underneath it to pare away the silicone. Okay, making sure you only heat up the bit you want. They come up remarkably easy. Working on the Inspire motor the other day and trying to desolder the motors. Wow, I think they're welded and not soldered them. Okay, now, first time, not that one. First time I've done it, take it steady and think about what you're going to do and what you're looking at. Okay, so we've got this, it's a bit that broke off, it goes like that. What's in there? The screws are in there, everything's in there. So, that there, I would imagine, is the issue. I would imagine, loosen that. And it just slides off. Can I say, wow, that's easy. Did I say that? Yeah, I did say that. Put the other one back in. And see how it came out. Right. That to there, that to there, that's it. You've got a square shank in there, so you make sure you get it right. Push it on, pull it. Yeah, screw back in. Now you probably saw when I was demonstrating at the beginning, the shoulder that was giving me problems was that one. Not this one. Yeah, this is the one that fell off as soon as I opened the body. So obviously, that's good. This one was just waiting to do it to me. That's good. Okay. Right, I shall reassemble this one fully before I take that one out. I can that way copy. Should there be anything in doubt, you've still got one that's as it should be, and you can just copy how it should be. Right, I believe there's enough solder on there anyway. Okay, 3 terminals there. We're starting off with a grey one. I didn't even need to write this down, did I? Because I've left the other one. And the last one. Perfect. Tweezers, a little bit of a tug on each one. Make sure, gentle, make sure everything is solid. Put this back in place first. There. Right, so 2 posi screws inside. A little fiddly because it's not a magnetic screwdriver, and to let down the hole. Next one. Be ready for all unexpected. Okay, and a long one into the back there. That now has its new shoulder. Cables through there, down that loop there, down there, down there. Little pudding tool to push them into place where you want them, down there. Perfect. I'll silicone both together afterwards. There we have it, that's one. Perfect. Solid again. If they go, replace them. 3 soldered wires. It's not difficult.
Okay, that one's out already, so this again. Is it out? Yes, it is. This again is going to be an issue with this. That's it. Okay, spin it round. Solder iron and remove it. Again, just the 3 plops again. 1 gone, 2 gone, 3 gone. Excessive there, that's it. There we go. Okay. Okay, and put it back in. And short screw, remember, at the back. Make sure you get a good bowl with this solder. Don't have it sitting on top of it. That's it, lovely. Now use a pretty big mastic gun, so I'll be a little bit careful, but this is not going to really harm it if there's too much in there. Right. Down there and there. And that's it. Okay, now I'm going to leave that an hour before I close it up, just to make sure none of this undercase gets caught up in it. Now just dab your finger on top, just moisten your finger a little bit and just dab on it. Not wetting your finger, moisten. Okay, silicon's all well set again now, so yeah, so reassemble. Simple process, just remember, connect this first, or you'll find it rather difficult to connect afterwards. The little ones were for the underneath on this, so we'll do them ones first. No, the top cover, won't they? Yeah, they're the top covers. Don't over tighten them, it's going into plastic, which means it's almost got its own nut lock in it. With it being plastic, it grips better, so, but if you over tighten, you've got the threat of damaging the thread in the plastic. Okay, that's that done. The colour's back on. Feels so much more solid. So you can see just how easy they came off whilst working on it. Imagine if that had happened when in flight. I'd have just lost it. I'd have lost £1,000 worth of equipment for the sake of £17. Really. I know super glue worked and it was a good quick temporary measure, but do it and then very quickly get these things ordered and get it replaced and use it minimal, because if it comes out of the sky you're going to wish you had done, you're going to be pretty sick. Plus you know it's unsafe, and that's the thing. You're up there flying, you know it's unsafe, you know this could come apart and that bird could come crashing down onto somebody or onto something, and you'd have that on your conscience. So £17, and not much time. Get it done. Alright, well, once again, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now.